Hello guys, what is up? It's Sanafan here from Tech Chapley. Welcome back to this channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. In today's video, I'm quickly show you how to fix the disconnecting problem on your wireless mouse. So let's get started. Okay, here is my mouse, and some of the time it stay like stuck in the mouse pointer doesn't work on the laptop computer. One of the reason is your USB receiver has problem, so you may replace a new one, the USB receiver. If your USB receiver is still working fine, then another problem should be with the battery. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to realize if you have a loose battery contacts and how to fix it in a very easy way. Okay, so let's get started. The easiest way to know if your battery is getting loosened inside its battery tray is if you hold your mouse up and then you do like this, and then you hear the sound of the battery is clicking on the battery box. And now how to fix it. Okay, first of all, turn off your wireless mouse first, and next you open the tray and get the battery out. Alright, so let me show you where's the battery contact. One of the battery contacts is here, alright, and this one is another one, battery contact. So if you don't see any problem with the battery contact, mostly it doesn't have any problem here or here, because it just it is inside of your mouse, so it cannot be having much of the problem. It's already fit there in its frame. But why the battery getting loosened? So how are you gonna fix it? It's quite easy, guy. This video I'm gonna show you how to fix it with plastic bag. Okay, so here I've got a plastic bag like this. We're gonna go and cut this plastic bag. So after you cut now what you're gonna do is fold the plastic bag, the piece of plastic bag, into 2 or 3 times. So folding like this, twice. Okay, folding it twice like this. Alright, so now you hold your battery and you start rolling it up onto your battery. You don't need to roll over both sides of the battery. You just leave it here. Make sure that it's in the middle is okay. Alright, so you've got very nice rolling already. So next step, you're gonna go and put it in. Put this side into this mouse contact and then press the mouse in. Alright, so the battery will not be loosened again. Let me show you how. Get the tray on. Now you didn't hear that big sounds anymore. The sound is coming from this roller. And now you can start using your mouse without any disconnecting problem on your laptop computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Anfan from Tech Chapley. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos later on. Bye for now.